Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to share your Netflix with friends. It is acceptable to share a single Netflix among several individuals. Netflix cannot and will not sue you for sharing your account with others, despite the fact that they don't like it when multiple individuals use the same account because of the losses they would suffer. So how to do that? As you can see here, I will let my friend Shimin to use my Netflix account. So the first thing to do here is at the top left corner, click the three vertical lines here and click this icon. Now, to manage your profile, all you have to do is to click this plus button here. And as you can see, I am going to make an account for my friend Shimin. And if Shimin is a kid, all you have to do is toggle it on, but if not, just toggle it off. Then once done, you can now click save. So Shim, my friend, has an account here, and when she opens it, she can now watch movies, dramas, series using my Netflix account. And that's how easy it is to share your Netflix to your friends. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.